Hey everyone, welcome back to English Story Drama. I'm Liam.
And I'm Emma. Today's episode is a bit dramatic. We're talking about 5 critical signs your partner might be cheating on you.
We'll explain everything in simple English so you can learn English and understand relationships better at the same time.
And don't worry, we're not here to make you paranoid. We're here to help you recognize patterns that many people ignore.
Exactly. And we'll give real examples to make it super clear.
Let's start with the first sign. Your partner becomes emotionally distant.
This means they don't share feelings anymore. They stop asking how your day was. They stop showing interest in your life.
And it's not just less talking. It's the feeling that they are not with you emotionally.
Like you're sitting next to them, but it feels like they're far away.
Here's a short story. I had a friend, let's call her Anna. Her boyfriend suddenly stopped hugging her when he came home. He stopped saying, "I love you." He became cold.
Yeah, and she said the house felt different, right?
Exactly. She said, "It feels like I'm living with a stranger." And that's the first sign. When the energy between you completely changes.
Emotion doesn't disappear for no reason. Something causes it. Sign number 2. They become obsessed with hiding their phone.
This is classic. Before they left their phone on the table. Now suddenly they take it everywhere, even the shower.
Or they flip the screen down when you enter the room.
Or they change the password and don't tell you why.
Here's an example.
Can I see a picture we took yesterday?
Uh, my phone is charging.
Charging? The phone is in his hand. That's suspicious.
Phones carry evidence, texts, calls, photos. So if someone is cheating, the phone becomes the secret vault.
If the behavior changes fast, that's a big red flag. Sign 3. Their schedule starts changing out of nowhere.
This one is huge. When someone is cheating, they need time. So they create new routines to hide things.
Like suddenly going to the gym at night or staying extra hours at work every day.
Or meeting an old friend you've never heard about.
Let me give a little story. My cousin noticed her boyfriend started coming home at 11 p.m. every day. And every time she asked why, he said, "It's a new project. Very important."
But when she asked what the project was, he couldn't explain.
Yeah, because there was no project. The schedule changes weren't real.
Consistency is important. People don't just change their routine overnight for no reason. If you're still here and enjoying the story, hey, give us a like. It helps the podcast a lot.
This one hurts. Small things make them explode.
You ask, what time will you be home? And they act like you accuse them of a crime.
It's because they feel guilty, and guilt creates irritation.
Here's a short example.
Did you eat already?
Why are you asking me that? Stop controlling me.
You were just asking about food. Nothing more.
People who cheat sometimes act angry to push you away. They want distance so you don't discover the truth.
Healthy partners don't attack you for normal questions. The last sign, your intuition.
Yeah, if something feels wrong, it usually is.
Humans can feel when energy changes. You know your partner, their habits, their smile, their vibe.
If your heart tells you something is off, don't ignore it.
But don't jump to conclusions either. Intuition is a signal to talk, not to accuse.
Before accusing your partner, you should talk honestly.
Many times, stress, personal issues, or mental health can cause these signs too.
But if you see 3, 4, or all 5 of these signs, you need a serious conversation.
Remember, love doesn't hide, love doesn't lie, and love doesn't make you feel alone.
Thanks for listening to this episode of English Story Drama.
If you learned something today, or if you want more episodes like this,
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
see you next time.